Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a MacBook unboxing and haul video for you guys. These are a cumulative haul which I bought mainly in Shopee or Lazada, which is a online shopping platform mainly in Asian countries. So the first one I have is a charger protective cover. I mainly bought it to kind of protect the head of my charger, protect it from scratches, from smudges, and I believe it's shockproof as well, but I'm not going to test it out. So as you can see, I'm really struggling to put it on, but once it's on, it just fits nicely, and doesn't that just look so much better? As for the USB-C cable, to keep it more organized, I just kind of tightly bind it with a cable organizer which I got for free. And the next one, we have a 5-in-1 set MacBook Pro case cover. I bought it in sets because it's much cheaper, and that's just me enjoying popping these bubbles. The set includes a touch bar protector, a screen protector, a keyboard cover, a matte clear case, as well as a 5-packet dust plugs. So I'm gonna put on the clear case first and just cleaning my MacBook, and we're just gonna snap it into place. It's that simple. I really hope I don't damage my MacBook though. I was being really careful. I got the matte clear cover because I wanted a minimalistic design. I wanted something that aged well, something that's timeless. I was debating whether to get a pattern one or a colored one, but then I decided to go against it because at least with a clear case cover I can customize it to my liking. And then we have the dust plugs, and it just, to keep these pots from getting dust stuck inside, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose soon, so And we have a thin silicone keyboard cover which just fits nicely on top. It actually feels really nice to type on as well. So I'm just applying the trackpad protector, and to be honest, it wasn't the easiest thing to do, but I was satisfied with the outcome, so hey, yay me. And now I'm just cleaning the screen of my MacBook to apply on the screen protector. And again, I really struggled with this. I just don't think applying any screen protector is my forte, but we get there. And I'm just smoothing out everything really gently though. It took me like 30 minutes to do this, but yeah, again, I'm satisfied with the outcome. And the next one, we have a cable adapter. I got the one with a 9 multi-functional ports. I got it in this color just to match my MacBook. What's this? Probably don't need it. Okay, maybe I should keep it safe and sound. It might be my warranty. So it has an SD card port, a micro SD port, a HDMI, something to put your internet cable in, a VGA port, as well as 3 USB ports. And you also have a charger USB-C on the side so you can charge it at the same time. And I like how you can just flip out the cable, and the cable is nicely tucked inside so I don't damage it. The next one is oh, I'm actually taking quite some time in opening it. So basically these are all the stands that I thought I need. So I got this iPad stand as seen here, and here is a portable aluminum stand which is really handy to have if you're on the go. To be honest, it is a little bit flimsy. Once you got it on, especially on the lower setting, it's actually quite sturdy. Yeah, I'm not mad at it, it's good. So I'm planning to bring this with me when I'm on the go. And if you want to like put it away, just snap it back and keep it away. And then we have the aluminium stand, which is not portable. It just gives you some screws and it's really easy to set up actually. Honestly, I prefer this one compared to the portable one. It just feels so much better. My wrist doesn't hurt as much, probably because it's lower than the other one. This is a much awaited one, which is my Logitech mouse. I got it in the color blue, I guess, and it's just so pretty. Look at the color. Honestly, I wanted a Bluetooth mouse so I can connect it to both my iPad and my MacBook. This is quite pricey honestly, but it's fine. Here inside it just includes a USB receiver, so if you don't want to use your Bluetooth, you can use your USB receiver as well. I don't know if you can tell, but the cap is actually magnetic. Look at it, it's so cute. It just fits nicely into my palm. So how you connect it is you press the button at the back and you wait until it starts blinking, which means that it's in connecting mode, and you just kind of connect it to your MacBook and it works fine, as you can see there. Now we have the laptop sleeve bag. I tried pouring water on it just to check if it's waterproof, and I'm actually really chuffed. It's waterproof. So I'm just trying out the zip and it just feels really good quality. Like, it honestly glides so smoothly, and in the insides it has lots of compartments. You can put your pens, you can put your mouse, you can put your adapter. It actually looks like it will fit a lot of stuff. Inside of the bag is padded with some fleece lining and it feels so soft and luxurious. It's quite thick as well, so I'm pretty sure it would protect my MacBook really well. Now I'm just customizing the bag with the pin that was given by my sister. It's actually a uterus pin and I just thought it's so cute. When I put the MacBook in, there's still some space left, so it's not a tight fit. At the front compartment, I tried putting all the bulky accessories such as the MacBook charger and the adapter. I'm pretty sure I can fit in more stuff because there's still lots of space. This bag just feels really sturdy and really well made. Honestly, it's worth every penny. So if you're thinking of a good laptop bag, this is it. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.